Days after the stampede in Karur left dozens dead, Tamil Nadu police have arrested 3 people for allegedly inflammatory social media posts. Adding to the tragedy, a 51-year-old TVK functionary has allegedly died by suicide, leaving behind a note blaming the state's inadequate police protection and directly holding Minister Senthil Balaji responsible for the chaos. Now, this amid demands from the opposition for a CBI probe into the incident. Meanwhile, AIADMK chief Edappadi Palaniswamy has launched a scathing attack on the DMK, accusing Chief Minister Stalin of indulging in photoshoot politics. EPS has also questioned the Deputy Chief Minister Udayanithi Stalin's Dubai trip right after visiting the hospital. In response, the DMK hit back strongly, accusing EPS of hypocrisy. Now, Education Minister Anbil Mahesh has alleged that AIADMK leaders staged political drama during former Chief Minister Jayalalitha's hospitalization and even used a dummy body in a BIPOL campaign to garner sympathy. Now, as the state mourns and politics over the stampede peaks, the man at the center, TVK Chief Vijay, remains missing from public view.
There are multiple requests from multiple sources. The governor has sought a report, and this government has constituted a one-woman commission. They have already started the inquiry on the ground. Multiple requests at multiple times will not do justice for this. It has to be one cause and one action, because even TVK has filed the National Human Rights Commission to take up this case. So multiple requests for multiple agencies will definitely not do any justice.
देखिए, इसकी पूरी छानबीन होनी चाहिए और जो भी लोग जिम्मेदार हैं, चूँकि इसमें 40 लोगों की जाने गई है, मासूम लोगों की जाने गई है, 40 घर यूँ कहिए कि एक तरह से उजड़ गया है, उनके परिवार के सदस्य अब उनके बीच में नहीं हैं और इसलिए इस मामले को बहुत गहन अध्ययन करने की ज़रूरत है और साथ ही साथ आगे के लिए भी ऐसी व्यवस्था करने की ज़रूरत है कि ऐसे वाक़यात, ऐसी घटनाएं ना हों.
And India Today's Mario Shakil spoke with Karur MP Jyoti Mani on the stampede and the aftermath. Listen in.
Can you imagine the
You are pointing out a very important and critical aspect, that the rally was perhaps planned on a wrong day because that's a payday in Karur and you are a member of parliament from Karur. Jyoti Mani, how do you look at these allegations of negligence on the part of TVK and actor Vijay himself? Because reports are suggesting that TVK had asked the lights to be switched off during the rally. He left the spot without even extending sympathy and basic empathy to the families of these victims. And now his party has approached the Madras High Court demanding CBI probe.